So, hi, this is Gail of 876 Documents. While I'm waiting on my salad, I'll make a quick PSA video. So, two of my friends went to Jamaica last week, and today one of them told me this, you'll read it about here. He did not fill the C5 form before he went. He tried filling it, he said, and every site he went on, they said he had to pay. I don't understand that because if he's my friend, then he should have seen my video where I gave the website. And so for the other friend, he did not remember to fill the form at all until he was on the flight, and they said, did everybody complete their form online? So this is a reminder, if you're entering Jamaica now, as of September 1, you have to complete the Customs and Immigration form online. Now, I've been getting so many questions about this form as if it's something new. It is nothing new, guys. It's the same form you always fill on the plane. I've said this so many times. It is the same form you fill on the plane. The only difference is it's digital. I don't know why we're so resistant to going digital because, I mean, it's so much easier and so much more convenient. You can fill it a long time before your flight. I don't even want to get into some of the ridiculous questions I've gotten about what if the person can't read and write? What if you don't have a pen? What if you don't have internet? Somebody asks, what if you don't have Wi-Fi? I don't understand. But you have a phone service, you have a phone. I don't understand because everybody have a phone. Everybody in my first grade and second grade class had a phone, so I don't understand. But anyway, we're just being resistant and we're self-sabotaging. But you have to fill the form. Apparently, my best friend, he did it while he was on the plane. Apparently, they're still allowing that. But I guess they'll be phasing it up. But for my friends who like to be proactive, you may fill the form online before you get to your flight. You do not have to wait until the day of the flight. You fill it the moment you book your ticket. That is it. I am Gail. I thank you for watching. And now it's time for my salad, which is here. So I'm going to run. Have a nice day.